Siyabingelela ubingelelo babudokotela babuyisizwe bawujabule umfana omuhle njengekhehla lomzulu abancike sibingelela abantu esinabo kwipage la babudokotela la TikTok and siyabingelela kakhulu this is babudokotela then sibingelele ke kubabudokotela TV ngoba sesiqedile ngobunyanga basendulo. We are welcome to our old channel. Thank you very much for coming back. I didn't know that you'd be still here. This is babudokotela voices watching fun mhlakile. Siyashutha ke namhlanje na it is Thursday. It is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Kubantu abanemali bathi imvrayi, abantu ababroke bathi Friday, bathi uLwesihlanu. Mhlawumbe wena laba ngithi into engifuna ukuyiveza lana i-address esikuyona. Sisemgaqweni ekuthiwa it's a corner of Albert and Queen Street. Uma udriver ungahamba ngo-Queen Street and number 72 Queen Street, there's a building ubhaliwe lapha phansi ukuthi Queen Parkade. Then ungena lapho ke ukhuphuke uziyopaka e-third floor. Abantu ama-visitors they park on the third floor. Then ama-tenant thina singama-tenant sipaka e-first floor nase-second floor. Or partially we can also park e-P3 as well. Angiyikhuluma ke lento njengenyanga kunezinto as a matter of concerning angiqale phansi njengenyanga there are those things as a matter of let's ukudla kwami as a matter of concerning into engifuna ukuthi siyibheke ukuthi what is really considered concerning it is skin vitiligo ama challenges esinawo kwelento esibizwa ATC African Traditional Medicine ukuthi how are we hlala ngalapho phumule how are we handling this, how are we coping with this medical condition, if we can able to cope with it, and then we can now explain to you. Mesikhuluma nge-skin vitiligo, this is what we're talking about. Kunesifo lesi engathi kuthiwa esamandiya, lesifo esamabalabala sibabalabala. It is also assumed ukuthi ebunyangeni silapheka lesifo, indeed siyalapheka. Umehluko waso nokulapha umuntu onomkhuhlane akufani. Uma ulapha loya muntu ukuthi minimum of 24 months, minimum of 2 years, minimum of 356 days times 2. Engisho ukuthi ezinye izinto mesizothi mesekulapha zona don't expect ukuthi ama-result wathola kade ulashwe induna kuzoba ama-result afanayo lana. Angiyikhulume le ye-skin vitiligo as inyanga ubaba udokotela babesizwe bawujabule umfana omhlanje akhe mzolo abancike ngisofuthi ngixolisa. Mina angikhulumile ezinye inyanga. Mina uma ngilapha umuntu i-skin vitiligo ngine-access e-laboratory yokuthatha amagazi. That's number one. Nginakwazi ukuthi ngirequest amagazi because into eyinkinga kuthina abalaphi bendabuko izinhlangano zabelaphi bendabuko ezikhona zilidwa noma ziholwa abantu abafunde kakhulu. They regard us thina esingafundanga as an outcast ebunyangeni. Kuthiwa sabalekela isikole, asibahloniphanga othisha, sesiqhama sesithi sizenyanga ezinkulu. No. Not all we were supposed to finish graduate matric. Baba udokotela mina standard 4 ngino grade 4 to grade 6 around the kwenza mhlawumbe ngibe no grade 3 depend ukuthi isimo sami sinjani. Njengemali imali akuhlezi no 10 rand, uyaba no 10 rand ube no 15 rand ube no 7 rand ne qualification into enjalo. Engisho ukuthi mina ngubaba udokotela ufu ngizolapha i-patient enenkinga ye-skin vitiligo. I have started to do this 2012 ukulapha abantu abanaleya nkinga leyana. Okay fine, this is what I do. Angiwachithi mina amathambo. Umuze kubaba udokotela mina awuzile angichitha amathambo mina. Bakhona ithongo elibaphelele khono lokuthi melisiza abantu oqala lichitha amathambo. Umuze kumina noma uze ulethe umuntu wakini ezolashwa isifo lesi sibiza ukuthi skin vitiligo, this is what you should expect. Ubaba udokotela number 1, there is a machine ekufuna ngiqale ngimfake kuwona. I need to detect izinso ukuthi isebenza kahle yini, inhliziyo isebenza kahle yini, mase ngichecka ke yonke into from head to toe ngengilongo ngizomosha lesikhathi. Thereafter mase ngirequest amagazi. Igazi lokuqala ngirequestayo elisibiza ukuthi i-full LFT, full liver function test. Ngifuna uyithola yonke iprofile ephelele. Ngibese ngicela bangenzele i-FBC full blood check. eAmerica bathi full blood count. Full blood check. full FBC ngifuna yonke iphelele. My reason why ngifuna yonke iphelele, I need to look at ama-white blood cells akhe. I'm not concerned about ama-red blood cells. I'm interested kuma-white blood cells akhe. Uma sengiyenzile lo request leyo, kushuthi kwi-form, le form le ngiyakwazi ukuthika LFT, ngicela ningenzele LFT, ngicela ningenzele FBC, bese ngicela bangenzele into esibiza ukuthi IgE, immunoglobulin ES. That is whereby ngizokwazi ukuthola i-understanding yalo muntu ukuthi njengoba ephethwe lesifo mina ufuna ngiqale kuphi bese ngiphuma kuphi. Umuthi great that I'll use ekulapheni lo muntu lo lesifo lesi, it is uThikadioka, very important. Ngezulu imbabazane. We can no longer hide information for niyazi lento lena. uThikadioka, it's what that I have to be using. Mase ngiba nomuthi ekuthiwa iHerb 16 kuzobe khona umuthi wena because of kusisho ngesiZulu ucabanga ukuthi ilonto. Bezokhona umuthi ekuthiwa umyezane. Umyezane, it has almost 9 ingredients. Umyezane. 9 ingredients. Thereafter mase ngimnika umuthi azowugcoba. Ngoba njobe ene skin problem, we have to have a topping application. Kube khona into ayigcobayo lo muntu, sesimnika ke into azoyigcoba. Lana fike silapha nje umuntu. Lento why am I treating as ATC, African Traditional Medicine? Because angifuni into ezothi uma ATM ezothi mesiyilapha with Western understanding, because we are Inyanga, we have to practice ATM with pride. We must be proud about our indigenous knowledge of traditional medicine. Thereafter, wherever you go, we apply ATM effectively, regardless of there are known synthetic drugs of which are very, very toxic as well. But when it comes to ATM, African Traditional Medicine, it's whereby we are safe. We do have a side effect, but they are bearable compared to scheduled prescribed drugs. Imithi yethu does carry ama-side effects, but angcono kakhulu kunama-side effect owathola kumaphilisi e-TB. Angcono kakhulu kune-chemo and radiation. Those are our herbs that we use. Yeah, enye into ngifuna futhi ukuthi ngiyikhulume la ile. Thina ebunyangeni, angiyichaze lento le. Thina ebunyangeni lento izosilimaza kakhulu. Lento ebunyangeni izosilimaza kakhulu. Sinenkinga i-LDL. And thereafter mase siba nezinyanga ezihlaselwa i-stroke because of high triglyceride levels, high levels of LDL as well. Laba bantu labayana, we as abalaphi bendabuko, we have to understand ukuthi njoba sizinyanga lento ngithe ngiyiphatha ngamabomu. Nanka amaphilisi, lamaphilisi lawa asetshenziswa umuntu osuke ene-BP uthi ngasebenzisa. Wena usunokungijwayela kabi nje ngasebenzisa. Ngeke kulunge khehla, hayi ulwenzi la. Hey uphuza iphilisi kohulwenzi. Abantu ayike vana ngeke khehla ngeke. Yo. Bapho jele na uniform engazuthi iphepha leNorox sekade likhothwa zingane. Awujele neyabhayiza kodwa. Izimnandi into ezikhokhelwe. Yo. Siphuza iphilisi le BP. Once waqala negama lenyama nje, that is Woolworths. That is Woolworths. Yabona ke la ngiyamuhloza ke la ke. Ngiphethe uyellow. Yebo yellow. Ngiphethe brown chocolate. Uthandana? Ngithanda uyellow. Yini uthandana? Hayi ngeke owena ugcina ngemoto mfana, ngeke ulunge la. Mase sidla ubrown. Sidla uyellow phambi ngakho awukazi uphathe uyellow. Hayi owena ngeke mfana. Abona sinquma ubhekileke la. Lo ayena Dodi lo. Usho ugqoka amasheshe equality. Equality yani uhlala eMaritzburg. Ungaqoka equality uhlala eMaritzburg izokusiza ngalo equality. Iyasho lento yo. Nandi udla into ezinemali. Use your medication. Use your medication. It's not embarrassing to cheat yourself rather than dying because you refuse to use a lab. Use your medication, simple as that. Angekho ke lapha ngisekutheni thina zinyanga sizobulalwa inkinga esinayo ya high profile kwi-lipid. I-lipogramate is not suitable ukuthi singaba yilento eziyona. That is why izinyanga eziningi uthola ukuthi iziloko zithakathana ziqamba amanga kanti zishawa i-BP. Zishawa i-BP. Into engifuna ukuyivuma abantu abane-BP ngi-right ngapha, okay fine. Into engifuna ukuyivuma engiyibonile inyangeni ezu-10 ngifuna ungitshele yangakini inyanga njengoba ubuka nje lana eyangakini inyanga ekwazi ukulapha lesifo lesengizosisho. Sinesifo lana esilashwa amashangane. Ya amashangane ayilapha leyanto but salukwazi hayi wonke nawo umashansana ayilapha leyanto. Kunjalo mkhulu. Isifo sama-keliots. Isifo sama-keliots. Lesa sifo lesiyana siba more surgical. Size kumuntu ahamba ohlinzwa. Ama-keliots yini babudokotela uyastidisa manje. Kuba khona inyama emila la, mhlawumbe kade ebhobozile umuntu wesane indlebe ibhibhe imile lento eyinyama elenga engasabuke kahle, omunye uma egcatshiwe kupitshike, yabo omunye ugcina engasacabi because unenkinga ama-keliots. Eminyangeni I'm not the master of all. I'm not knowing everything ekhambi. Kodwa siyafisa ukuthi leyo nyanga esesinobufakazi ukuthi iyakwazi ukusiza abantu ngempumelelo abanama-keliots. We need to do apoptosis analysis. We need to do in vivo and in vitro analysis emthini yayo yokuqala before sirefer abantu kuyona. Why am I pushing for in vivo and in vitro? Those are safety clinical standard semithi ukuthi before a patient undergo any medication imuthi loyo has to pass in vivo and in vitro or herbs that are used kulo muthi okulapha leso sifo that we assume ukuthi or we claim ukuthi lo muntu yakwazi usilapha are approved kwi in vivo and in vitro. Inkinga ke esinayo angichazela esinayo ngemithi yamashangane. Amashangane angifuna ukuthi awafundile. Amashangane anenkinga yokuqaba. Imithi yayo abayazi ngesiLatin. Uma uyisiqhaza, there is nothing that we can able to sit down now and say analyze imithi ngokulashwa kwabantu. You understand? Because imithi onayo be able ukuthi uyazi ngesiLatin. Ikakhulukazi imithi ezodliwa abantu. Uma sikhuluma nge-Allium sativa azi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Mesikhuluma ngezinkipa officinale azi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Awungatolekelwa into esiLatin because you, especially your father, has been recognized as a doctor who can't even analyze iBP kumuntu, but already recognized as a traditional doctor, of which is a good thing. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi sinabo odokotela abangakwazi even ukwenza iBP kubantu. Ngiyabonga ke mina lokho. Ngiyabonga nje. Ngiyabonga. This is babudokotela. Asitholeni ke uma ngithola umuntu okwaziyo ukulapha ama-keliots comes to uphaphe legwalagwala elephantitis umzimuka ngesizulu. Umzimuka, we have to know pathology yakhona kuqala before we tell a person that we can treat this medical condition. Umzimuka, ukuzimuka konyawo, laba bantu nanamanje banemzimuka almost 25 years. Almost 25 years abakalapheki. Ubaba udokotela, I cannot treat abantu abanomzimuka. We are not in a position of using this social media platform, kwababa udokotela TV, kwababa udokotela TikTok as well, to mislead abantu ukuthi ubaba udokotela uyawulapha umzimuka, ubaba udokotela uyawulapha Amakelo, that I don't do. I wish I can find somebody who can able to help those people so that sizokwazi ukuthi interview. This is Babu Dotebo, this is Babu Mfana Mhleja Khehle Mangisi Lamangisi. Kulo nyaka of 2026, I declare and I decree. I repeat, kulo nyaka u-2026, it should not be the same as 2024, 2025. Izikweleti ongene nazo ongene kuzona kulo nyaka iyona minyaka lena ekwenza ukuthi uqale ukungcwaba abantu kade be-close, very close to kwena u-2024, 2025. You lost people that you loved. But when it comes to 2026, I decree and I declare that it must be your year of immense wealth. I repeat, kulo nyaka 2026, immense wealth will come to you. If you believe, it will come to you. If you don't believe, it will still come to you. The fact that you won't recognize it, that the wealth is coming. And kulo nyaka lona, and I repeat and I decree and I declare that someone that you know, someone that is standing on your right, someone that is standing on your left, he is going to be given so much wealth because you are already exposed in doing that make people very rich. It's just that the time and the passion, and you are still analyzing, you are not wrong alone. And this year, somebody that you know will use umabhebeza, obhebeza imali for abafazi nabadoda. We have introduced umabhebeza, ukubhebezela abantu imali, abantu bafuna imali. And today we decree and declare that the person that is watching this video right now, without touching umabhebeza, without touching umuti, as long as a person believes ukuthi this year is a year of favor, this year is a year of crossover. Ulo nyaka lo esi crossover wa asizothola omunye unyaka, awukho unyaka oyisipe, awukho 2026. All you need to do is to assume it that it is you who are going to change everything. I was also kwakhulunywa amagama amakhulu phezulu kwempilo yami kuthiwa ngohamba wonke amazwe, and then mina ngitshela ukuthi kuyaphesheya into abantu abanemali. Nazi ukuthi umuntu umephumile kusuke eSwazini ejika la futhi eduzane ebuya. Ngangazi ukuthi umuntu ukahambe la ekushintsha khona ilanguage, kushintsha iweather, kushintshe nesikhathi. Uthi uyafonela ekhaya lingabanje ucinga ukuthi abekho nanti balele wena utshethi isemini kanti kusebusuku ngapha. Because I received it, and as I'm telling you now, this year, something good is coming on your way. Immense wealth, you just have to put your hands there. Regardless ukuthi umabhebeza sesikunikileni, it is worse kulabe sesibanikile umabhebeza because sibanike into ezobasiza ukubhebeza imali, bebezela abafazi namadoda. Ngeke abantu babe yilento lena in a sense that bafe futhi behlupheka. We cannot tolerate that, and there's no need that toleration of poverty could stand. No, we cannot. Yeah, bakithi this is Babu Dotebo, this is Babu Mfana Mhleja Khehle Mangisi Lamangisi ngisolo futhi ngixolisa. Into engisafuna ukuthi ngeke ngiyiprove la. Ngisafuna ukucontesta nge-challenge labantu abaya koNampula, koKhirimani beyofuna izinto. There is nothing wrong about that. Abaya koBhere, koNgorongoza Forest bofuna izinto. There is nothing wrong about that. Bacross i-bridge ngorongoza bofuna izinto. There is nothing wrong about that. But today, I will introduce something to you that is very, very sacred. Lento uma siyenza ifuna sithole u1 rand coin. Sithole inkukhu emhlophe. Sihambe nawe siyobheka isiduli esingakaze sisebenze. I repeat, sihambe nawe siyobheka isiduli esingakaze sisebenze. Babudodela, what is isiduli now? Isiduli, it is called anthill. There is a difference between anthill and termite hill. I-anthill ile ntuthwane ezincane, isiduli esifishane. Termite hill ile ntuthwane engathi zibovana ezinkulu. Ile sakhe isiduli eside esiphakeme. Angisho ke leso mina ngithoka about anthill, isiduli esifishane. Sihambe nawe sobheka leso siduli. Uma sifika lapha esidulini sizofika sisiphahlele. Sisho ukuthi inkosi yesiduli sizocela namhlanje ukuvula indlu yakho. sicela umsebenzi wethu uphumelele kusocela la kuwena bese sisibhoboza isiduli la ngaphezulu mesiqeda ukusibhoboza sithathe u1 rand siuphonse phakathi sithathe u1 rand siufake kulomuthi esiuphethe ngebhakede mase sibulala inkukhu emhlophe ngicela ungilalele mengikhuluma mase sibulale inkukhu emhlophe esidulini sithi khiphe inyongo sibulala inkukhu emhlophe siyizungeze igazi silizungeze isiduli sisho ukuthi inkosi yesiduli namhlanje sizolahla ukuhlupheka namhlanje sizothatha ubucebi sizongafuna ukungalambi singesweli akaze siswele isiduli asibili isiduli asiphephe noma ikhukhula zenjani hlezi zikhona inkosi yesiduli nako esizocela ngakho igazi lelifuna silithele lizungeze isiduli silizungeze isiduli uma isithuli inkukhu lana ngifuna ukunika umuntu engizothwala ngifuna ukuprova labantu abathi bahamba bagcoba ama passport bashiya ngoba thina seyinyanga ezimphuphe ngithi mnawoza naloma lothu nayo le mali obuthi uyangawe lapha ke ungangiphatheli lona bohambisa 100,000 bohambisa imali engakwamse angifuni ukukhuluma ngemali yakho ngithi mina ngitshela ukuthi imali inonazi ngikuthathe ngusesidulini phathe inkukhu emhlophe phathe imali emhlophe ama 100 wabe u2 enye soyifaka esidulini enye sizoyifaka kulomuthi ogeza mase siqede lapho igazi kulomuthi alifakwa sikhipha inyongo siqhumisa inyongo siyifake la mase siyawuphehla ukuthi suphehla mase ngithi mina gibela phezulu kwesiduli ngifuna ukuthi ugeze lesidulini ngesikhathi ugeza amanzi ufuna angene kulomgodi ngesikhathi ugeza amanzi awangene kulomgodi siyakwakha sifuna ukuthi angeke siphathwe amashangane ngomuthi lokho ufuna sikudinaye ize noma sesinazi izangoma ezingabuthembi umngoma uthola inyanga isangoma nephandle ezisuke esithupheni zobhajwana uphakathi emashanganeni amashangana amtshela ukuthini ngoba phela umuntu uyakwazi ukuphahla endumbeni wathwasa lo muntu ithongo lakhe limnika umuthi kodwa nabo ubafica sebelaphana sesificana nabo ubafica sebela bayabona nje ngihamba ngeUganda ngophambana nazangoma zeSouth Africa ngophambana nazo ngisho ukuthi lana ngifuna sikuprove ukuthi lento iyamnika umuntu impilo this is babu Dr. Bawusisi Bawujama mfana umhlehle ekhehla umzulu amancinisa ngisula ukuthi ngidlela ngikhohlweni bantu bakithi sithe ukuphoza kancane angicabanga siyazophoza futhi ngeke ngingadla yabonakala ukuthi angizodla ngeke ngingadla inhloko ngingadla yazi ikhekhe liyathanda ukudliwa ikhekhe liyathanda ukudliwa yabo nje ngithi ikhekhe nje ikhekhe nandi ikhekhe liyathanda ukudliwa maqose ikhekhe nje ngikhohle leni umngamo uzoyithini lento ngikhuluma ngathi ngimsena nto ngodla ikhekhe athi ngicabanga ngibone ngidla how much more wena umngakho angakwazi ukuthi uphuma umsebenzi ngathi udla ikhekhe awukhulume razo ungathini manje uhamba ngithekene yakho ngeayini kabuhlungu nje mase shutha nawe ithekene yakho isibone sesibizwa babili kanje nampa abantu bami bajimbos kodwa umjitho ongalishisi iayini unenkinga uma ungalishisi nje iayini unenkinga shaya iayini uayine kuphela uphile lo mpilo eayini nje kuphela ukuthi nje unako ukuayina nje kabuhlungu ayini ingubo ziqonde museze kushofe ukudlela ikhekhe bakithi this is babu Dr. Bawusisi Bawujama mfana umhlehle ekhehla umzulu amancinisa ngisho futhi angixolisa ngifuna ukunika umsebenzi kaSigwili salwazi ngifuna ukunika umsebenzi kaSigwili wegusha lana I've got an example that you've long been waiting for it la nansi into engiyiphethe yabo ngiphethe la ngiphethe ikhanda legusha yabo nanti ikhanda legusha ngiphethe ikhanda legusha lento ngifuna uyibuke kahle and thereafter make your sense and make your decision ngifuna sikhulumeni ke lakhe ngiphethe umsebenzi kaSigwili ka7,000 rand umsebenzi kaSigwili ka7,000 rand awulidingi ikhanda legusha. Ngifuna ngiya kule khanda le. Umsebenzi wasigwili ka 7,000 rand uhamba uyobheka indawo la ongakwazi ukuthi uyogqiba khona usigwili. Uma ugqiba usigwili uthola ishumi kanje. You see, this is 1 rand. Ufike umbe endleleni uma usubeka ishumi, uma usuthatha usigwili ubeke ngaphezulu. Uma usuthatha isibuko usibeke ngaphezulu sime kodwa sibheke phezulu. Lapho wakha usigwili ka 7,000 rand. Lo sigwili one size fit all noma ubani angakwazi ukuthi awenze. I repeat, noma ubani angakwazi ukuthi ahambe ukwenza lo sigwili loyo. Mase siba nosigwili wekhanda legusha. Angifuni ukuthi uyongithengela igusha. Ngifuna ikhanda phela. Angifuni ukuthi ubulale igusha. Aba ebusha ababulala amagusha abo kulungile badayisa inyama. Uthi nje wena ngicela ikhanda. Ngizokhandela ke lo msebenzi lo. Kodwa asiyilungiseni futhi lento ngoba asifuna abantu abazongcolisa amagama ethu ethi ngakho ku 65,000 babudodela akazenzeke lento. Ngifuna qale i-resident yakho akube is a stand alone property. Akube is a stand alone property. You don't have to have a business in order to wenza lo msebenzi kaSigwili. uSigwili into esiyifuna kuwena iba ne stand alone property. Babudodela yini stand alone property? Umuzi ongancikile komunye umuzi ongekho kwi-estate, townhouse, penthouses. Asikhulumi ngani. I-flat asikhulumi ngayo, i-duplex asikhulumi ngayo, i-simplex asikhulumi ngayo. Sifuna thina umuzi owumuzi onegceke onazo zonke izinto. Bese sithatha nanku umsebenzi esizokunika wona. Sithathe nanku umsebenzi esizokunika wona. Usuku no 65,000 umunika lo msebenzi. Angichaze lento ke. Uma uzothatha lo msebenzi ungitholela ikhanda legusha, ungitholele u1 rand coin. Mase siwenze ke lo msebenzi lento imandatory or iyasiphoqa ukuthi ikhanda goduka nalo uye ekhaya. Ngizofike ngikutshela ukuthi ekhaya ulenza njani leli khanda. Once laqala labola, ukubola kwale khanda it's loosely 3 days. 3 days mkhulu kakhulu. 3 days mkhulu kakhulu. Umuthi ozongena lana uwodwa. Umuthi ozongena la uwodwa. Hayi ukuthi ngizofaka inqwaba emithi uwodwa umuntu engizongenisa la. Kuphela. Bese ngikwenza ukuthi uphumelele empilweni the way you always dream about it. You will have money, you will have life and live your life to the fullest. Le khanda leli linamaqiniso linezimfihlo zalo. Kodwa meke laqala labola laphuma impethu yasukuma lento. If une business kodwa umuzi wakho use stage, as long ibusiness yakho iku ground floor, if u principal ufuna isikole sakho sigcwale, siyayigqiba into esikoleni. Kodwa ngaphandle kwesikole sigcwala isikole sakho ngoba kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi as a teacher isikole ahleze sigcwele kuze kwakhiwe izinto baze babe u2 principal okungcono. Kodwa azi ukuthi wena wenza le nto le. For your church kuthi igcwale we need this. For any business lena ese ground floor hayi ephezulu. Ungezi kumina uthi hayi kodwa iphezulu kodwa sizobona asizobona lutho. Akusetshenzwe ngemali asizobona lutho. This is Babudodela bawesizwe Jama mfana mdla Jack ehlomzo lamancinisa insofuthi ngolisi. Thatha nasi inamba Babudodela, set up an appointment, blah blah blah. Goodbye. Thank you.